What's this, Sophia? What's this?
Kiwi.
What is it?
Kiwi.
Kiwi?
Kiwi?
Huh?
Do you like it?
What's this?
Huh?
Tell Mommy what this
What's
is.
it called?
Oh, call.
What's it called?
Call.
Kiwi?
Kiwi.
Can you say kiwi?
Kiwi.
Kiwi, thank you, with the crackers in your mouth. What's this?
Nana.
Banana.
Banana. Sophia, what color is this?
What color's the bag?
Bear.
What color is that?
What color?
What's that?
Papa.
Papa? What else? What are the new words? What are the new words?
Sophia, who's this? Who's this baby?
Who's that, Sophia?
Is the baby?
Who's that?
Is that Olivia?
Who's that?
Can you say baby?
You sure are mowing on that cheese. What are you eating? What's that, Sophia?
Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese?
It's Mama.
No, thank you.
That's
That's
Dada.
for Sophia. It's for the baby.
What do you want, Sophia?
And big.
Bagel?
There's bagels.
You're sure getting your words down. Okay, say bye-bye. Sophia, say bye-bye.
Say bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Come on.
Say
You know
bye.
how to say bye.
Say bye.
Bye, Tony.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, Tony.
Is it calm?